In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use our CardSwap feature. First, go down to Services, then select CardSwap. Read through this information, then click Get Started. Take a moment to scroll through all of the available companies that you can use our CardSwap feature for. Then, select the company that you would like to update your payment information for. Then click Next Step. Enter in your Heartland Bank card information in which you want to update the payment information to. Then click Verify Card. Enter in your login information, then click Link Account. A verification code will be emailed to you. Enter in that code and click Verify. And you are all set. To remove an account, click on the company. Then click Remove. And then click Yes.